Hello, YouTube. Back to another Goober video. We are currently in Tech Line for Orlando backside right now. So I'm gonna try to document as much as I can today. Got a couple clips on the early morning ride up here, about 4 hours from home. Pretty long Tech Line, so it's gonna take us a little bit to get through here. Pretty cool guys here today. A couple from Cletus' shootout earlier in the week. Casey Max, big guys here. And we're gonna be running tailgate this weekend, obviously. So like I said, hope you guys stay tuned and enjoy the video. Checking out the surface here. Look at this junk. Backside Orlando. Look at this. Is literally a ditch. Just rolled my ankle in this ditch over here. Just rolled my ankle in this ditch right here. This is worse. This is so bad. Hey, but this might give us the, like, if the wheel wrinkles. Now, if the wheel wrinkles enough, it might like grab the rock. This is my tuner for today. What do you think we should put in it?
Everything.
Ridiculous. It's such a
rock special. That's not bad advice, honestly.
So I'm thinking about how far out you think this is. About 130 feet right here, 200 feet. This is where I'm grabbing the second kit. Pulling the chute. Definitely want the right lane, I think.
Is that where we're supposed to turn in?
No, I think the finish line is the flags. Dude, it's like you've got to drive a football field, like 4 football fields to get all the way back.
Yeah, I see that.
I'm taking the return road after Tech, and I'm like, man, where do I turn? All the way up at the concrete. All the way loop around. Oh my God, imagine if you had a Pro Mod. The only thing I could... Huh? The only thing I can think of is like someone spills oil right here, right? They move the starting line here now. It's just gonna get worse the further out. All right, guys, so we just got past Tech. Got my wristbands and everything. We are good to go. Now it's basically just a hurry up and wait game. So here comes Scott. But I wanted to show you guys the camp. We got the big tent off Amazon, the truck, the trailer, really all comes together. I think I'm more excited about the camp than really care to race or anything. So probably walk around, get a few clips of the cars, and just kind of see what's here, see what we're up against. Got a full class of 16 trucks supposedly, so hopefully everyone shows up, be a good pot. Hopefully we can do something today. Second pair down.
3 rolls.
Alright guys, so went out first round, drove 4 hours to go out first round, is what it is. We are now at Midnight Fabrication headquarters, dropping the truck off to get the turbo kit and the cage finished. So this will conclude our night. I'm gonna throw the outside view and the GoPro view of the race in there. It wasn't a bad race, but the surface is cheeks, and not really a fan of that junk, so